You searched how to buy shares of Sigma Healthcare Ltd, a pharmaceutical wholesaler listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker SIG.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker SIG.ASX to find the listing. Make sure you select the Sigma Healthcare Ltd entry on CBOE AUS to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct security. Check the company name, exchange CBOE AUS, and the ticker SIG.ASX before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if you do not have enough balance. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.